What's going on, YouTubers? Polish Piper Nick back at you with another video. Happy Friday. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. I had quite a busy day. Business is starting to pick up. Wow, my hair looks really bad now. A mullet in the back is looking sweet. It's gonna be teriyaki chicken over rice for dinner tonight, but not just plain white rice. I'm gonna make a Hong Kong style egg fried rice. So what I'm smoking now is one of my favorites, FrogMorton's Cellar. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. That's sweet. I'm smoking in the bones. I can't even remember what day number this is or what bowl. FrogMorton's Cellar pipe tobacco. A mellow, fragrant Latakia blend aged with stave cubes cut from barrels used to mature and flavor FrogMorton's own special whiskeys. Excuse me, definitely get that Latakia up front, which I love. And once you open the tin, crack it open, it's got this nice, let me try it right here. Got the nice mellow sweetness from the whiskey. Here's what the stave looks like. And what the tobacco looks like. If you know anybody in the YTPC that has this, trade for it, buy it, do something, because there's people that have hordes of this stuff. They'll be putting it up for sale soon on eBay, I bet. So now this blend reminds me of specifically in 2012, before, was it Hurricane Sandy hit the East Coast. I went on a major road trip with some heavy hitters from the YouTube pipe community. This was what, no, October, I think the very beginning of November, maybe like 2 weeks before Sandy hit. And I got interrupted by a potential spam. I hung up. So like I was saying, this tobacco reminds me of a specific time. Trip that I went on, like I said, with heavy hitters from the YTPC. Jason Dagner, his dad Jay Dagner. They flew into Boston, met up with N.E. Smokes, Johnny, and Smoke Show, Rick. They got in a minivan and came down to Jersey, picked me up right around the corner here. And we headed right to Pennsylvania. We checked into the hotel room across from Boswell's. It's the, I think it's the Econo Lodge, or Travel Lodge, I'm sorry. Yeah, we went across the street to Boswell's and had a dang good time. It lasted a couple days. And that's where I first had FrogMorton's Cellar. So it specifically reminds me of that time. I'm not gonna go into detail about that trip. It was a crazy trip. You can see it, just type in East Coast Pipe Tour. Or East Coast Wrecking Crew. You'll find my videos, Jason Dagner's videos, One Man Smoke, Salam, Carl, Southern Cross Smoker. We met them that night. They came late that night that we arrived. So check those videos out. Now you're probably curious about the whole assholes part of this video. There's one type of assholes I cannot stand, that I despise. They immediately make me lose my shit. Flies.
Flies. flies are assholes.
And I'll tell you why. Those little bastards, they can get in through the smallest opening and be lost. You open up a door into your office or a window. A window is just cracked open. And from outside, they saw him maneuver through a little tiny crack, in the window that you have propped open. Or you quickly roll down your car window, get some air. Those fuckers somehow managed to get through a hole, a sliver of a hole that big. Not that big, that's small. But yet, when you leave the window fully open, the door fully open, they can't seem to find their way out. Nope, they can't find their way out of a wet paper bag with the hole at the end. It'll be fully open and you hit the wall, hit the frame, hit the bottom shelf, and they won't go outside. I have to stand there with the freaking clipboard, try to knock them out or wave them through. Finally, they go outside. About to close it, they come in through the little opening. That's why flies are assholes. All they do is eat poop. That's my rant on assholes, flies. Bunch of little beep!
Pardon my language.
You know what? I don't have a beer to drink. I went on a beer run the other day and today, and I think I should show you guys and gals what my beer fridge looks like. I want to see what your beer fridges look like, or what your drinking fridge looks like, even if it's water or soda. Luke, double A pipe man.
Luke.
I want to see that liquor cabinet that you mentioned. It's about time. Let me take you guys and gals on a quick tour because it's time for me to pour a beer. I'm thirsty. Welcome to my world. I am what you call an alcoholic enthusiast. First off, that's my growler collection. That's my motorcycle right there. So yeah, it used to be a much bigger collection. And there it is, my mini beer fridge. Check this out. Ooh, fancy. Now let's check out what we got. Well, oh, these are all Equilibrium. And that one I got the other day. Grateful Jams. Acid Blend from Rick's City Brewing. Where's the other ones? Oh, and behind here is a Tasty Jam. That's the bigger brother to this one. This one's heavily hopped, more so than that one. And this is a Kettle Sour. Where's the damn description? Oh, brewed with lactose, conditioned on blueberry puree, peach puree, and mango puree. Love that stuff. And I got this from a local brewery near me, Study Abroad, Berliner Weiss style ale. Delicious, I've had it before. And this from another local brewery, Iron Palm. What? Look at that. Limited edition quarantine can. So, I'm gonna drink that now. And I also have another mini fridge there. That used to be filled with beers. That's a chocolate stout right there, the Manifesto tonic waters. That is a breakfast stout with maple syrup and coffee. And that other bottle back there, that tall one, is a Saison. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed. It's a little peek into my world, what I love doing, what I'm interested in. I'm gonna go pour myself a beer, hang out. Oh, let me rinse this. Pardon the look of the kitchen. Everything's a mess. MC Squared, Equilibrium Brewing, in the Smokey and the Bandit glass.
Oh, the aroma.
Good hanging out with you fellow Pipers, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow morning. Cheers. Ah!